Hello,
They
chickies.
seem to do okay. The middle's sunk down some.
Yeah, we'll pop it up and get the rain off of it. But here's our beautiful chicken coop. And we'll show you how we made it. Because it's not what we thought we were going to make, but it's what we made.
It's not what we originally planned.
No,
Um,
but,
but we ran into complications.
and it works.
Yeah, because we didn't have enough hardware cloth to cover this outside. Because the only reason we were covering the outside of the coop, because the coop is inside a fence, is because we haven't got the net on yet.
And we have predators.
Right.
Lots.
So, and we need to get the chickies out here. They're way too big to be in the thing anymore.
Yeah.
So that's why we were doing this. Realized we weren't going to have enough. So we compromised, come up with something that will get them out here, keep them contained, keep predators
them
away
safe.
from them. Yep. Until we get a chance to put up the netting.
And get all the edges
Yep, secured.
because it is a fence, but there's lots of gaps.
Yeah, so we'll be working on the bottom of the fence, getting the netting up.
Yep.
Stapling more to the trees because we only put a few staples in just to hold the fence up in
Yeah,
place.
just to get it
Yeah.
up.
But until then, they can be outside, they can be in here, they can be safe. They'll be much happier because they'll have more room, and they'll be outside where they're supposed to be, so they can get buggies and all that to eat on.
So I'm going to go get the girls.
Well, here, I'll kind of move it around a little bit if I can. Bubba, come here. Bruin. Leave the chickies alone.
All
Here,
right.
hold on a minute. I'm coming over.
Look at this pretty girl.
Yeah.
And my Silky.
Brewing.
Oh, isn't she pretty? Come here. Barred Rock.
Brewing. Chickies.
They're all thirsty. Look at them. Look at them. Look at her pretty wings. Aren't those beautiful? This one is my rock bar here. And this guy here, this is the dude. This is my rooster. He's a cream leg bar. Isn't he pretty? And my Silky. Yeah. They're so cute. I love chickens. Not the prettiest thing in the world, but it works. And they like it. Look at them. Look at how happy they is. They're so pretty. See if I can find my goth chickie. Where's my goth chickie? Oh, there she is. Isn't she pretty? Look at that's a Sparthonus. Look how pretty she is. She could be all black. Nope.